How to fix apps crashing in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, update apps. After update all the apps, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.